What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today has nothing to do with the iOS. It's just an oil change on my 2003 Honda Civic. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, this is how the engine look like. It's really dirty, and here is where you're gonna fill your oil right there. Let me check it out real quick. As you can see, it's really dirty. All right. This is the pin right here, and you're gonna have to unscrew that bolt right there. So I'm gonna try not to make a mess. And up here, right up there, it's where the filter is. All right, let's get to it. There we go. There we go. As you can see, it's draining. Wow, looks like there's barely any oil coming out of this. This isn't good. Wow. All right, you just let it drain, I guess. All right, guys, the oil is still draining, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the filter, but it's kind of dark, so let me do this. It looks like I won't be able to record that because it's really dark and I don't have someone to help me holding the camera, but it's really easy. All you have to do is just remove it, then we place it with the new one. This is a filter that I'm gonna use, the mobile one, and this is the oil. It spins to your high mileage vehicle. It's 5W20. And then first what I'm gonna do is oil. I'm gonna add some oil around the filter, and that should be good enough. All right, we're gonna go put the bolt back and then put the filter back, the new one, and well, that would be it for here, for like this part. We're gonna put that bolt back. I just wish I had someone to help me, but oh well. Okay, I think that should be good enough. And then we're going to install the oil filter. Alright guys, I just installed the oil filter. It's getting really dark, so plus it's black, so you can really see it up there, but it's right up here. Alright, let's put the oil in and we'll be done. That's the first one. Second. That's the third. All right. Put the top back on. And just make sure you check it. Good. All right guys, that's pretty much it. on this video, just make sure that after you change the oil, you go back on the needle of the car and make sure that there's no oil leak. Oh, one more thing I have to show you. Alright, here's what I forgot to do. You have to press that button, and then while you're holding it, you just turn the key. There we go. It goes off. Alright guys, that's it for today. I will see you next time. Then next video is gonna be on the Lexus. I will gonna install the F-Sport Hurry bar. So I will catch you later. Please comment and subscribe. Peace.